Hey, I'm Zachary Cuevas with PC Mag, and today we're checking out Lenovo's newest gaming handheld, the Lenovo Legion Go. Let's see what it's all about. The popularity of the Nintendo Switch and the Steam Deck has led to a wave of handheld gaming consoles, including a few that run full Microsoft Windows. Lenovo is best known, of course, for its laptops, but it's the latest company to jump into this growing field with a handheld of its own, the new Lenovo Legion Go. The Legion Go runs Windows 11 and is built around an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor along with 16GB of DDR5 memory and up to 1TB of storage space. But the screen is the first thing you see, and it's a standout compared to the screens on other gaming handhelds. It's an 8.8-inch 1600p display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The aspect ratio is 16:10 and is the biggest screen we've seen so far on a handheld console. Its refresh rate and resolution outpace even the 1080p screen on the Asus ROG Ally. The Legion Go is a much chunkier device because of this big screen, but it's still way more portable than the smallest gaming laptops. Lenovo hasn't shared any estimates of the Legion Go's battery life just yet, but the Go does support a feature called Super Rapid Charge, which Lenovo says will juice the battery back up to 70% full in just half an hour. And the unit has a lot of connectivity options too, including a couple of USB Type-C ports and support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. The Legion Go's biggest difference from the other PC gaming handhelds, though, is its Nintendo Joy-Con-like controllers. You can detach them from the tablet's sides, much like on the Nintendo Switch. The controllers have a built-in touchpad, a large D-pad, an angled mouse wheel, and a total of 10 mappable shoulder buttons, triggers, and grip buttons. All of this allows for loads of customization options often reserved for the PC. Lenovo even engineered a unique first-person shooter mode for one of the controllers. You fit the right-hand controller to the included base, and it stands up vertically, letting you use it like a hand grip. It enables more precise aiming and movement in shooter games, mimicking a computer mouse. In use, the controllers felt solid, though its buttons and sticks felt a little stiff. A small mechanism tucked behind the controller helps release the controllers from the main system body, but we did have some trouble detaching and reattaching the controllers. It takes some practice and exact finger positioning to get it right. Now, how do you access your games on the go? With the Legion Go, Lenovo will introduce a UI called Legion Space. Designed just for the Legion Go, Legion Space is a controller-friendly interface that allows you to quickly access all of your game platforms and stores and view all of your locally installed games. You can also use Legion Space to purchase games through the Legion Game Store in collaboration with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. And while we won't have exact benchmark numbers until we get a unit in hand, performance felt solid in the demo session we had with the Legion Go, without any noticeable frame rate drops. In-game visuals were especially vivid when compared to the Steam Deck screen. We sampled some of Xbox Game Pass's offerings, including Forza Horizon, Halo Master Chief Collection, and Power Wash Simulator, and they all felt smooth and looked great. If you want to get your hands on the Lenovo Legion Go, you won't have to wait long. Expect it this October, starting at $699. Well, that's all from us at PC Mag. Be sure to check out PCMag.com for our latest tech tips, reviews, and how-tos.